Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is a get it all done with me. We are at Walmart starting off our day. We have to go and get a few things for the house. Like I told y'all in a previous video, every Friday I go and I stock up on a few things for the house that we need, like paper plates, paper towels, toilet paper, soap, and stuff like that. So I am in Walmart shopping and getting things done. And as you can see, I did look at a few things, and they had some very cute Christmas pajamas at Walmart. They had cute dresses and Christmas dresses and clothes and shirts. If you guys have kids in school, little girls or boys, you might want to go and get your Christmas shirts early. Walmart had a ton of Christmas shirts. I know sometimes the school allowed them to wear like Christmas shirts on certain days during the holiday season, and they tend to go out of stock quickly. So I usually like to buy those little shirts early when I see them in the store, and they're so cute and they are a reasonable price. I want to say they were like $5 or $6 for these shirts. So you guys should come to Walmart and check them out. That's what we do. And Madison saw a dress that she liked, and it's so cute, y'all. I can't believe Walmart had a cute dress like that. It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. After we went shopping at Walmart, we went to Marshall's to check out their Christmas decor, and Marshall's have a lot of good stuff, you guys. I did notice that Marshall and Home Goods had a lot of similar stuff, but yeah, so Marshall's had a tons of Christmas decor. So if you guys looking for other Christmas decor options, check out Marshall's. They have a ton of stuff. I'm done Christmas shopping. When I got home, I had to tackle this. Look at this. It's a hot mess. My cabinets where I put my pots and pans were just all over the place. Very unfunctional. When I try to grab a pot or a pan, things would just fall out on my floor, and it was just getting like out of hand. So I've been needing to do this. I've been putting it off, and it really did not take me long to do it in real time. It took me like 20 minutes. So yeah, I'm glad I tackled this. I'm going to be taking everything out of the cabinets, those two cabinets. I'm going to vacuum and clean it up, and I'm going to reorganize it in a more functional way. It won't be as aesthetic like you may see other people do it in their videos, but this is just the best way that I can do it for now. I don't have a lot of cabinet space for my pots and pans and stuff, so I have to work with what I got. And yeah, so I'm going to vacuum, clean out this cabinet, and reorganize them. While I am decluttering my cabinet, I'm going to read a scripture from 2 Timothy verse 2. And it says, "Do your best to present yourself to God as one approved, a worker who does not need to be ashamed, and who correctly handles the word of truth." So this is the after, and can't you see that it made a big difference? Like, just decluttering that. It's not aesthetically pleasing, like I said, but it is very functional, and pots are not all over the place. I did declutter a few things, so yeah, I'm so glad I did that. And next on my list for my get it all done, I brought this from Ross. And this is like some Christmas towels, and I brought like a Christmas shower curtain, and I'm going to be decorating my bathroom. Now at first, originally I was going to decorate the guest bathroom with this, but I realized, I didn't really like the colors and stuff. I thought maybe that the colors in this shower curtain would go better in my bathroom, and it actually did. And for two, my kids, they use my bathroom a lot. I don't know why. My kids want to use my bathroom all the time. They like to take a bath in my bathroom. They like to use it in my bathroom, brush their teeth in here. I don't know what it is, but they love my bathroom. So I said, well, you know what? I'm going to decorate my bathroom first. And I'm going to shop and look for like a different shower curtain for the guest bathroom. But yeah, guys, so this is like a little trick, a little hack that I'm doing. Instead of taking off my old shower curtain, I decided to just put this Christmas shower curtain over the old one. That way, whenever I get ready to take it down after Christmas, it's like a smooth transition. All I gotta do is just undo it, and my regular shower curtain is underneath. I ain't gotta re-put it up and go through all the hassle of doing that. So yeah, I'm not done decorating this bathroom. I'm putting the shower curtain up, and I'm going to be adding some decorative towels, but I do want to buy like a mat. Ross did not have like a mat that I liked that went well with this, so I'm going to be looking for that. But I will be adding a mat and probably like another like Christmas decor piece in here. So yeah, so I'm not done with this bathroom, but I kind of wanted to start transitioning into Christmas because we are ready for it. We are hosting Thanksgiving this year at my house, so I did not want to put my Christmas decor up so early before Thanksgiving could even get here. So I said, well, you know what? I'm going to start off by decorating my bathrooms first, and that'll, kind of like transition us into our Christmas decor. So I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. I really appreciate you guys' support and tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.